If you're currently using another Amazon listing or profit analysis tool like AccelerList or 2D Workflow, migrating your data to InventoryLab is easier than you think. Switching to InventoryLab, which is part of the Seller 365 bundle, is straightforward, thanks to robust import and export features that let you transport your data via a CSV file. In this guide, I'll walk you step by step through importing your cost of goods sold data into InventoryLab. Here's what you'll unlock with InventoryLab inside Seller 365. Save time with a streamlined workflow. Process shipments 30 to 40% faster. Simplify accounting while listing. No more entering costs separately. Batch time savings. Listing with InventoryLab typically saves 30 to 60 minutes per batch, compared to sorting through 30 up labels afterwards. Now, why make the switch to Seller 365? It's an all-in-one bundle that's highly cost-effective. Starting at just $69 a month, you get 10 seller tools. These were once separate subscriptions costing hundreds of dollars, but now they're unified under one roof. Tools included are sourcing, Tactical Arbitrage, ScoutIQ, Scoutify, and ScoutX. Inventory and shipping, InventoryLab. Sales optimization, with SmartRepricer, FeedbackWhiz emails, and FeedbackWhiz alerts. And finally, profit and reporting with FeedbackWhiz profits and InventoryLab accounting. Some of the benefits: it simplifies operations. No need to juggle multiple logins or systems. It consolidates capabilities into one subscription. Streamlined FBA prep and shipping workflows via InventoryLab. Integrated repricing with SmartRepricer. Mobile sourcing efficiently with Scoutify and ScoutIQ. Advanced Amazon product research via ScoutX. Better profit visibility with built-in accounting features. And one unified support experience and consolidated billing. Thinking of moving from AccelerList, 2D Workflow, or another tool? Here's how to quickly bring your COGS data into InventoryLab inside Seller 365 using a simple CSV import. Step 1. Go to 3colts.com/seller-365 and create your Seller 365 account. From your dashboard, click into InventoryLab. In InventoryLab, head to your FBA or MFN inventory. From the menu, choose Export Inventory Data and save the CSV file to your computer. In AccelerList, 2D Workflow, or whatever you're using, export your inventory with COGS included. Save that file too. Open both files. Copy your COGS from the old tool and paste them into the by cost column of the InventoryLab CSV. Please note, make sure both spreadsheets are in the same alphabetical order. Then, save the updated file. Back in InventoryLab, choose Import Inventory Data. Upload your updated spreadsheet, map the columns, and confirm. InventoryLab will validate everything, flag any errors, and then update your inventory with the new costs. If a SKU has been bought at a different price, use the bulk edit tool to add multiple cost entries. And that's it. Your COGS are now in InventoryLab, and you're ready to keep scaling with Seller 365. To make the move even easier, here are some best practices. Import COGS via CSV and with buy costs and supplier data. Start with buy lists. Preload sourcing data to reduce manual entry. Leverage auto pricing by setting min-max pricing and setting them directly to SmartRepricer. Train your team with coaching sessions and guides. Use the restock report to forecast demand and avoid costly stockouts. Want a deeper dive? Check out the full support guide here at support.inventorylab.com.